different, I'm just like that.
Okay! I like this!
You gotta leave before you.
They ate! They literally ate. Hi guys! So in today's video, I'm going to be reacting to Black Hole Heart, the music video by Crossing Rain. They reached out to me and asked me if I could react to this music video, and I was like, yeah! Let's get into it. Ooh, I already love the visuals so far. You can tell that they're...
Babe, I know you're tired all the time. School and work, a couple hobbies on the side. So when we talk, I always try to keep it light. My black hole heart could never give you any life back. Baby, how can I be different? I'm just like that.
Okay!
Precious time you cannot buy that, yeah. We've been dreaming of this feeling, we should ride that, yeah. You're scared of the dark, still you let down all your guards for my black hole heart. It's been made so
I
hard.
like this!
More chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you. In my black hole heart, it's been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you. Wrap me in your hoodie when I'm cold. I promise one day you'll get what I
Oh my gosh, I love that background.
Maybe I feel jealous of your growth. Every time I hug you, do I hold you back? Flaws, you can see my colors for a cause.
Hey!
Start,
Yo, I'm liking this!
You gotta leave before it gets dark. Yeah. in my black hole heart, it's been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you. In my black hole heart, it's been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you.
Oh my God.
I lie cause I try hard to keep you safe, but I'm kind of the guy who can't see both
Y'all, the
ways
visuals.
tonight.
Oh my gosh.
All the time. I lie cause I try hard to keep you safe, but I hide what's inside while I feed you fake replies. Black hole heart has been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for
Oh my gosh, yo, I'm loving the vibes right now.
heart has been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you.
Yay! I love that! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's not over. Hey, FaceTime tonight. It's been a while. I can't do this anymore. Okay, so that was my reaction to Black Hole Heart, and I just wanted to say, first off, I am so sorry if I didn't say anything. I was just so enticed with the visuals. They were like so stunning, and they weren't too extra to the point where it took away from like the music, because I was vibing to the music, okay? I know y'all heard the music. It was so nice and just like chill. I really liked the choreography when they were dancing. It was really cute. Guys, I'm like actually kind of speechless right now. It's a good speechless too. So yeah, these guys are definitely gonna be under my radar. They ate. They literally ate. Nothing really like clashed together. Like everything worked super well together, from the outfits to even the choreography. You guys should definitely check them out for yourselves. I'll be linking the music video down in the description. Thank you so much for reaching out, because like I would have never known about this. This would have like just went under my nose. I'm subscribing right now. And guys, comment down below what you think about the music video and what you guys think about Crossing Rain. So far, first impressions, I really like them. Thank you for watching my video. It really means a lot. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. 次のビデオでは会いましょう. Bye guys! さようなら!